Hello and welcome back. In this session, we see how to deploy the D app and how to run the blockchain network. So we are going to use a Ganache blockchain, which is launched by the Truffle framework. Actually, Ganache blockchain can be used or can be launched by Ganache console itself, but Truffle has this extra feature in it. So we can launch a Ganache blockchain using Truffle framework also. So here we open a new terminal and we just need to type truffle develop. So what it will do, it will launch a blockchain network with some predefined addresses and the private keys. So here it is ready. We can see there are 10 accounts, 10 addresses and their private keys. And now we need to launch this command migrate reset. What it will do, it will migrate the smart contract into the blockchain network. So basically it is installing our smart contract into the blockchain network, and we can see this is the contract address and some ether has been spent during the process. So now our backend or the blockchain is ready to be interacted, and now we're going to launch the front end so that we can interact with the blockchain. So for this purpose we should open another window, go to the client folder, and now we need to run npm install. Why we need to run npm install? Because suppose for example we have downloaded this folder from github or some other sources and this is fresh on our machine, then we need to run npm install to install all the dependency as we can see in the package.json file. So these are all dependency, but since we have already installed or we have created this whole application on this machine, so we need not run npm install again. So we will skip that command and we will run the next command to launch the front end, that is npm start. So this will start a home page in the browser. So we can see that it is loading the home page. So this is the home page for the blockchain peer-to-peer lending app.